welcome to today's show. Now, today now actually Family Day, and most of the stories that we're going to treat today go they centered around the family, centered around, yes, still the family, whether it's in a single or na you get husband and wife or na still family. So you go they centered around the family. And today too, one Kajad woman don't come outside give tips them on how single mothers or single fathers go feel actually live one day at a time. Now, she don't actually come outside and give precious tips to single parents. So you're going to need to actually stay tuned for that one. If you know, so you get any single person around you where they actually take off the picking. So stay tuned to that particular time and you go know the tips where she don't bring come out. Ladies, are we ready to talk?
Yes.
Ever ready.
All right, so let's talk. Now, the first story we will treat today on top of the show concern waiting one Nigerian girl don't actually post on top Twitter. Now, this Twitter user will be Sissy Cynthia. She don't actually get plenty costs on top her head. Why? Because she come outside talk say she wants make the man where she go marry, make the mama don't die. According by the post where she put, she say, any man, Nigerian man where I want marry, I want to make him mama die before I marry him. Now, plenty people don't come outside insult and say, you will be a mother very soon. Why would you say somebody's mother should die? Blah, 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 blah. Plenty things like that, or blah, blah, blah. Now she don't come outside, give reason why she talk like that. She said, I guess it's now time for me to clear the air. Yesterday, now the worst moment of my life on top Twitter, I make a statement, personal statement of things where they bother me, and people start to insult me. People don't understand what I don't go through, the experience where I don't go through with all my ex and their mother. He said, you not fit they good enough for all my ex, my mama. Say, you not fit they good enough. Every night, na tears, I go dey cry. He said, I don't suffer too much. That's now why I don't decide, say, any Nigerian man where I want marry, make you not get mama. But if you get mama, he not go marry you. Now the reason now she don't bring come out on why she talks say she wants to make any man where she want marry, make the mama buy. Now, ladies, if you say they're right, because I know I don't hear this particular statement from a lot of ladies, but if you say they're right for a girl to talk, say she wants to make her mother-in-law don't die before she married the man?
We know they're right at all in any ramification, because when you talk about it, think it be like I don't talk maybe once or twice as I grow up to say I don't want to make my husband mama they alive or something
because of African movie,
yes, because of
movie.
the things that we see, even apart from movies, even the ones that we see every day
Reality.
from other people experience around us. But then no be enough. Just like the people where you bash them on top Twitter, she said go be person mama one day, and she said no go once make person they pray say make she don't buy before her own pikin marry. So now something where a lot of things where we decide or talk from our mouth, make we put ourselves in the same position first before we decide to wish them to other people. Or make person they wish her say make her own mama know they alive when she won't marry, or make her papa know they alive when she won't marry. Now very sensitive issue where she need to actually take with care. But at the same time, I just feel say even though say she did unfortunate with the kind people mama where she did meet. Now something for me, every situation where you go through, you go learn something from inside. Maybe now something where say she need to learn say okay, when she said don't born her own picking, when she don't reach that stage, she needs to to make a difference, because she don't know say okay yes it they affect the other person relationship and everything. So she go be that kind of mama where be say the in-law go love to have her as mother-in-law. And then secondly, I just feel say somehow I know say we get a lot of difficult mamas for this life where we come. So but if you decide say okay this is a person where you want to spend the rest of your life with, that love where you get for the person supposed to extend to cover the flaws of the mother. I know say it did very hard and it did very difficult, but somehow I heard the story of a person where they told me recently. So when she won't marry, say her mama show her mother-in-law show her pepe, and she actually they fear. People call they put fear for inside her body. Say your mother-in-law she go show you shake. This woman where you know like you or anything. But that don't mean say she can't wish the woman dead, or she say she no go marry the man. She married the man, and today she and the man mama na best of friends. The woman no fit take any decision without say she call him as a daughter-in-law. So now as you go build the home and build the family, if she no fit make the mama love her, then she no go fit make that marriage work.
Okay, besides this thing when she talk, she's supposed to check on for herself from two major angles. The first angle now be say if you dey wish your mother-in-law dead before you marry the son, that means say you dey wish your mama dead too before then your brothers go marry. Yes, now one point be that one. Then yourself, you supposed to understand, say sometime for future, yourself you go born and you go born boy. You go one die before your pikin marry wife put for house. Okay, now from the thing where you read out there where she talk, she say she don't see so many things from the mother of her ex suitors. That means say she self she get one character or one habit wey no pure. Because if you don't date one person, the mother-in-law give you issue. You date two, you get issue. You date three, you won't tell us say all of them they wicked. I know say some mother-in-laws they very terrible, but at the same time some they very caring and very good. So you no go use one person judge the other. Instead, you self look inward, look that part of yourself where you suppose make corrections. Then before you fit talk anything, then after you see say you don't make all the correction finish, if you no still work, no, you no even make sure say make you can't wish anybody dead, because you no go want make your own mama or make yourself die when you supposed to enjoy the fruit of your labor.
For me, that's not why we actually discuss some here on the show. Why? Because a lot of people, because of the experiences where they don't go through in the hands of maybe their own mother, maybe their papa mother, or maybe their boyfriend mother, they will just conclude, say, I don't want to make... You know, when you're there in situation, then you know go think about the positive side or rather the negative side of waiting you they talk. That's not why we they talk and for you. So that you were there out there where they talk, say you want to make your mother-in-law die. You and mother-in-law too one day. And your mother too. Your mother and mother-in-law too one mother-in-law too. And she go be mother-in-law to a person. So you want me person pray make your mama die. So when you reason them like this, the only prayer you need to pray for yourself is say, God, I bet send me the man where the mama go take me as a mother.
Simple.
Yes.
And send me the man too where go stand by me. Because sometimes you go actually, like what you talk, you go do, try to make the woman love you, but she not just want love you. But just pray, say, God, I bet send me the man where go actually stand by me.
You know, say we another point now be say you know go just go every day for life without any difficulties. She get sometimes then you go do something where be say she go shout for your head. Some other times she go dey loving. Now check am from you and your mama viewpoint. You know go tell me say now every day now you and your mama they in unison. Where be say anything where she talk, you go agree, or anything where you talk, you go agree. Or na two they get quarter. Just take am like that. Say your mother-in-law self. Some things fit happen, or na no go just agree with each other, and some go happen, or na go commend each other, say yes, you do this one well. So every day in life no be bed of roses.
And people need to understand, say each mothers get their own let's say how to handle issues. Let's say your mama now you drop cup for ground, your mama feel not talk, and then your mother-in-law go talk say, Betty, why you drop cup like that? Some girls go be like, sorry, you can't talk to me like that. My mom doesn't talk to me like that. Even though say I drop, she know they talk to me like that.
You're never ready to
People
marry.
actually get their own different ways, corrective measures. They get their own different. So you need to just at least understand where your mother-in-law they come from. If she mean well for you or if she not mean well for you. I know so they get terrible.
Some people just they problematic. It reminds me of one of my grannies like this. Nothing where you want to do. If you cook food today, she go tell you she fit a chop.
Something
She dey chop am like this. She go say, the salt's too much. Tomorrow you read this. She say, you not put salt. Next tomorrow, the pepper no there. Now one day
you just need to understand.
Now one day her husband tell am say,
you
self you get wahala. Now only you they chop this food. that one you go take no say this person just get wahala on her own, and you need to learn to live with her.
I like what you talk. That's now why I say pray. Say the man they always stand by you. Because I will say this other not to say you tell you get wahala. The woman will continue to do one. She go continue.
And funny enough, when the husband talks, say you self you get wahala, she can't lie. She say she no.
You see, so some of them stop. But imagine say the son come start to talk say yes, mommy, not mind now. So today she go put two seasoning.
No,
tomorrow she go put 3 salt. I don't want her. She not they always hear me. The woman go keep on to the do and say, my son told me that you always do this to him.
Exactly.
So why did you do this?
You want to kill him?
This is one that they talk. This salt issue, especially one I talk, make me remember one experience. Husband and wife will be say they are two then just marry, or maybe don't say where they are two don't marry. I know to remember. She get as husband and wife they house now. Then the guy friend come say, okay, today we won't come greet her now. She get make your wife prepare food for us. The wife can't cook the food by mistake, salt too much. So as then the friend come, they shop the food. They come begin they look themselves face say They can't even talk to the husband face say your wife the salt too much for the food. You know what in the husband talk? With the shop salt for our house.
Oh, you see?
Cover him.
Just imagine.
Skimpy, I don't know whether not me, but nowadays they hard to see man like that.
They hard.
No, instead the man.
Then they hard.
But they hard, my darling, because all the men who I don't see, you go see say that they praise their wife on Instagram, but they go behind the store say, she cannot cook. She cannot clean the house. She cannot do anything.
It's
They go
terrible.
support people outside.
Some
to talk
people just
something
because
bad
of say they
about
want
you.
self-pity, make people they say
Self-pity.
exactly. Now what is some people just want, now be
is
that
it.
one. At the time,
Self-pity.
when they just say, yeah, sorry, just they endure, which is very bad.
And you know how human beings can be easily bamboozled in the sense that anything I tell you, if you just believe on that, and then you will tell the other person, say, we is a bad person now. We they show our husband. That one go tell another,
They don't spread
That one
now.
no go-
we they show our husband.
Another person go come ask that one, they go say, I hear say she be bad person. No. You never confirm
you
for
not
yourself.
confirm,
Oh.
oh.
You go just say, I hear say she be bad person. No, that girl not good.
All right, what do you think about this mother-in-law wahala? What do you think about what this girl don't come outside talk say? She they pray say any Nigerian man wish she marry, may the mama don't die. You feel saying that the right prayer to make? Which kind of prayer if you said this particular girl need to pray because she thought that she don't go through a lot of experiences from her exes and the parents them and the mother they show her shege. What do you think about them? Let us know. Enter Twitter, follow us on Twitter at Princess Uwi, at Bettiana, at Oduwa Skimpy.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry the